Okay, so at around 128, Sophie starts with the ball, which is the play that's about to start. And she taps the ball, sprints around 5 meters to take the touch. And this is effective because Sophie initiated the touch, meaning she was in control of the play. And the ATP PC system was mostly dominant during this little sprint. And if I skip to around 156, we'll see just after Blake gets tapped here, Finlay throws the ball to Sophie, and she runs to catch it just there, instead of waiting for it to be thrown to her. And just before she's about to be tapped, she passes it to another player, Darcy, allowing him just to run through a gap created, which is a good example of change of speed, which is an effective tactic. Alright, and I'll skip to 3:20:22. Just around that. Right, I think we see the ball being passed to Sophie here, and then she makes a change of direction and speed, which kind of throws off the defending team, once again running up to take the touch and starting the play straight away. So it doesn't give much time for the other team to get back that 5 meters. And around 6 minutes. Now they're on the defending team. And Sophie here, she sprints up to Des to take the touch. She doesn't get it, but it's utilizing the ATP system again. But throughout the whole game, more towards the second half, the anaerobic system is being used, as there's lots of running back and forth at like kind of an intermediate level, and players do this for like the whole duration of the game. They don't really get much time to rest except for halftime. And yeah,